Dr. Philberg, thank you for having this interview with me.
It's my pleasure.
So let's get right to the chase. What do you think about the world water crisis?
Well, the world water crisis is actually one of the foremost problems that our community is facing today. I feel like too many people decide to waste water.
Look at him. Oh, Dan, look at Don.
Guys, the human body is 75% water. I've been studying paranormal activities for over 15 years. The Agua monster, for example, kills people who use too much water.
They're very willy-nilly about their water uses, and I don't think that that's appropriate. I think that we should start by teaching kids in the schools as young as kindergarten that wasting water is just not something that you should do on a daily basis, and that you have to conserve each drop, each raindrop of water is important.
Both of my parents drowned when I was young. I'll never forgive the water that took them. If I had known sooner, maybe I could have saved my parents. I've been hunting the Agua monster for 7 years. It leaves only water in its wake, so it takes a true hunter to find it.
Well, the best way to save water is you go to your local water bank and deposit 1 raindrop each day. And if you do that over the course of a year, a few years, you'll have saved up enough to maybe fill a bath.
A leaky faucet can waste up to 100 gallons of water per day. The average American consumes water. It's the trail of the Agua monster. Oh no, it's too late. Only through constant vigilance can we save ourselves. I only hope that I could save the world from ignorance.